Kalpana Tarpade here again to show you another new dish. Welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a sweet dish. This is called Tirachi Laddu. Tir meaning sesame and Laddu means all know Laddu. I'll tell you the ingredients for this Laddu. I've taken sesame seeds half kg. Then I've taken jaggery half kg. Then a little pinch of sugar, ghee. Then pista, badam and cashew nuts optional. And this is cardamom powder. I've done powder and kept it. Okay. Before I start the method of how to prepare these laddus, I would like to tell you a little bit about these laddus. We celebrate Sankrant, which falls on 14 January every year, sometimes on the 15th Jan. And we all the married ladies get together and we do haldi kunku. Haldi kunku meaning this. This is haldi, kunku and rice. We call the ladies to our places and we apply this on their forehead. We give them flowers and this is rose water. We sprinkle rose water on them. And these are the laddus that I have made. This is how it looks. Till do. Okay. And the boys, they fly kites. You see the kites here? The boys fly kites. The weather is nice and airy and it's cool and everyone enjoys this day. Now I'll come to the method now. I've done with this. These are the sesame seeds. In the night I've sat and soaked them in this. The same cloth I've taken like this. I put the sesame seeds. These are polished sesame seeds, okay? I dip them in water and then I keep it in this and overnight. With all the water is drained down and I keep it to dry indoors, not in the sun, okay? So, and before they get very dry, they are half semi dry, I will roast these, dry roast. Then this is the jaggery, not the regular jaggery, this is the sticky jaggery which we call chikisa gul. This is special because to make that laddu hard and tough like chikki. Now I will show you about this method, how to go about this. Okay. Now I will dry roast these til. Now these are actually polished til I've taken, and many people prepare laddu without soaking them in water. They just roast them and that is even fine. But I do this method because that's the way I had seen my mother and my mother-in-law preparing this. And secondly because if you soak them and then dry them, they do not upset your stomach because these laddus are so tasty. So you tend to eat more, especially the children. You can't stop them from eating these laddus. So I take a little bit more pains by soaking them in water and then drying them, so that how many ever laddus you can eat, they will not affect your tummy. Okay, now this you can see the til has changed its color. It's in a golden brown. Okay, so they are ready to be used now. Fine. Now after dry roasting the til, sesame seed, I have added all these chopped dry fruits. That is badam, cashew nuts and pista. Okay, that's it. Now I'll take 1 teaspoon of ghee. Just 1 teaspoon. Then I'll add this sticky jaggery. Now I'm not giving you any measurements for this because I get half kg jaggery and half kg til. I require less jaggery than the til here. So I'll make some chikki out of puffed rice, or you have groundnuts. I make of groundnuts. You have to wait till this melts. Okay, you can see the jaggery has changed its color a little bit. It's completely melted. And now I will add a little bit of pinch of sugar to this. Sugar because It will give that a particular shine to the laddu and the crispness for the shoe. And this is the cardamom powder. Fine. Now I will add this sesame seeds mix with dry fruits. Now you keep mixing this till there's no measurement for it. I think it's for 1 cup of sesame seeds. It is 3/4 the jaggery. But I don't go up to the measurements because I just see all the pill is absorbed by the jaggery. It's covered by the jaggery, and that is enough for me. See. Okay. I've applied a little ghee on this plate so that this mix doesn't stick to it. Okay. And very, very careful. It's very hot, and you have to roll the laddus while they're hot. So one more precaution is you add a little ghee to your palms, and then take little at a time and roll them. That's it. And they will be soft first. As they cool down, they will harden. And you take little at a time, so you know, suppose you have used less jaggery, then in the next one you can add a little more. This just, because whatever the concern is, the laddus are great to taste. It's very hot. The size of the laddu it's up to you, whatever size you like. There's no hard and fast rule, but we keep them small because they are hard and crisp like chikki, so you can't eat big laddus. This is to be eaten in small quantities. Or you can just divide them into laddus now and then later on roll them to a proper shape. Once they get cold, the jaggery will harden. Okay. Then if you have small kids in your house, you can make this laddu more interesting for them. I'll show you one. See, this is my all-time favorite. My mom used to do it for us. I've done this for my kids. Okay. It's a top, a chikki top. See? If it's a boy, make a bat for him. Because they love to eat it then, And this is during winter time, so it gives a lot of heat. So it's advisable to make this. It's good. And then make a small ball. Small ball and bat. So bat and ball. And there are many other things I can make, but then my this other mix will get cold. And I won't be able to make these laddus. Hope you try these laddus at home. And you've seen I'm wearing a black sari. This is the color we wear on the Sankrant, which falls on 14 Jan. And there are the small customs I would like to follow now. Most of them have forgotten them. So it's just a reminder to my kids and my grandchildren that they remember all these things. That is why I'm showing you. So I hope you try these laddus and enjoy them. They are yummy. And let me know, of course. Yes, bye. Bye.